Hey everyone! Can you believe we're already in midterm season? That's right, somehow we're already halfway through the semester. There's only so many hours to a day, and between all the exams and assignments we have to get done, it's super easy for college students to feel completely overwhelmed. But luckily for you, I've got some handy-dandy tricks to help you ace those exams. But before we get started, just a quick introduction. Hey guys, my name's Brooke. I'm a senior here at Caldwell. I double major in computer science and marketing, and I minor in communications, so I take a variety of different classes. Like I said before, I'm a senior, so I've basically gotten my midterm study routine down on lock, and I figured I'd share my tips and tricks to help you guys get them A's. So my first tip is to take good notes. Now that may seem obvious, but you can't believe the amount of times I've had to scramble to get my notes in order the day before an exam. Pay attention in class and try your best not to write down every single word your professor says. Focus on the critical material that's more likely to show up on your exams. Sometimes I like to redo my notes when I get out of class. This is a great technique because it helps you memorize and absorb the material better. My second tip is to schedule, and then schedule some more. I'm currently taking 6 courses, so things get out of hand pretty quickly if I don't stay organized. I try to schedule out as much of my studying as possible. Having a clear outline of what you need to get done is a surefire way to keep calm when you really get into the thick of your exams. My third tip is to get some sleep. Medically, it's suggested that young adults get about 8 hours of sleep a night. Now at college, that's admittedly a little difficult. What I like to do around midterms is actually schedule time to sleep, just like I would for studying or work. I'll literally make an alarm on my phone at 2 a.m., and when that goes off, I drop whatever I'm doing and try to get into bed. My fourth tip is to find a study buddy or two. I don't know about you, but I think everything is way more fun when you're with your friends. Even if you're not the same majors, you can be more productive if you have friends to camp out with while you're studying. My friends and I always like to meet up at night to get our homework done. It's a great way to make sure you don't lose your head in all those notes, but also we keep each other in check and make sure that nobody goofs off too much. And last but not least, my fifth tip, stay positive. I know it might sound corny, but I actually think this is the most important thing to keep in mind while preparing for an exam. Have realistic expectations for yourself, and don't beat yourself up if things don't go as planned. And if all else fails, just remember, you've only got a few more weeks until Thanksgiving. Alright, so that's my midterm survival guide. It's worked out pretty well for me so far, and I hope it can work for you as well. So yeah, good luck on your exams!